Here's our most recent rebuild. This 1905 Ellington upright. It's so beautiful. I'm gonna walk you through some of the details. First, from the outside, visuals. We did a full refinish of the piano. Look at that. It's such a beautiful piano. We even cleaned up the back. Now this is going to go toward a wall, so it doesn't have to be perfect, and it's not, but we did refinish the back of it. The top. And now for a video of the inside tour. We're super proud of how this turned out. New Ronson hammers, bacon felt, new shanks and whippings. We rebuilt the old stickers, new bridle straps, new sticker felt, key tops, bushings, front balance rail bushings, new practice pedal. We refinished the action brackets, did all new plating on the hardware. We refinished the plate and lettering. You might have seen other videos of this. The stringing job is beautiful. These strings are from J.D. Grant. And then coming down here, we also refinished this on the inside, so it's easy to clean. It's beautiful. Who does that? Oh, okay. Replating, rebuilding the trap work, new felts and strings, brand new casters on the bottom. You can see big new double darnel casters. All in all, we're very happy with how this piano turned out and super satisfied. Next, I'll do a little audio demonstration.